Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we consider the best Indoor Hairball-Control 10LB cat dry food. The IAMS Proactive Health Adult Hairball Care Dry Cat Food with Chicken and Salmon. Let's dive right in. This particular 16LB bag from IAMS packs a powerful nutritional punch tailored for adult cats, specifically targeting one of the most common feline problems, hairballs. Whether you've got a long-haired beauty or a short-haired diva, if your cat is indoors and prone to grooming, Hairball-Control is essential. And this food does exactly that. First, let's talk formulation. IAMS has crafted this dry kibble with real chicken as the #1 ingredient, which means you're getting high-quality animal protein from the start. It's paired with salmon, giving it a dual protein profile that not only supports strong muscles but also adds flavor cats tend to love. That flavor combo is important because picky eaters can often turn up their noses at food with a single bland protein source. Beyond just taste, this formula is fortified with a specialized blend of fibers, primarily beet pulp and other plant-based fibers, which work to reduce hairballs before they become a problem. These fibers aid digestion and help move hair through your cat's system more efficiently. Over time, this can lead to a noticeable reduction in hacking, gagging, and those unpleasant surprises on your living room rug. Nutritionally, IAMS didn't stop at just fiber. This formula includes a strong mix of essential nutrients like omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. These help keep your cat's coat shiny and their skin healthy, critical for indoor cats who don't get the environmental variety of their outdoor counterparts. Healthy skin also means less shedding, which in turn supports even better hairball control. What's also notable is the immune support. This formula is enriched with vitamin E and other antioxidants that help bolster your cat's natural defenses. For adult cats, especially those in multi-cat households or ones that don't get outside stimulation, a strong immune system can make all the difference in long-term health. The kibble itself is shaped and sized for adult cats, making it easy to chew while also promoting oral health through gentle abrasion. Now, for availability, this IAMS Hairball Care formula comes in multiple bag sizes including 3.5 pounds, 7 pounds, and 16 pounds options. The 16 pounds bag is ideal for households with multiple cats or for cat parents who prefer to buy in bulk and save. Unfortunately, it's worth noting that this specific item doesn't ship to every international location. For example, if you're trying to get it delivered to India, Amazon currently doesn't support that delivery for this item. You'll want to look for alternate retailers or check for local availability. It's best suited for indoor adult cats who are dealing with frequent hairballs, cats with sensitive digestion, or those who might benefit from a shinier coat and stronger immune system. If you're transitioning your cat from a different brand, be sure to follow proper transition steps over 7 to 10 days to avoid tummy troubles. To sum it up, IAMS Proactive Health Hairball Care with Chicken and Salmon is a powerhouse option for indoor cats. With premium proteins, digestive support, hairball control, and added nutrients, it hits all the key areas you'd expect from a top-tier dry cat food. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what your cat's favorite food is. See you next time.